క్లాసెస్ నడుస్తున్నాయంటే నువ్వు మధ్యలో చెప్తారు వచ్చినాక. దున్నపోతు బఫేలో ఒకటే కదా
వెళ్తావు, నాకేం తెలుసు.
దాన్ని అట్లే బఫేలో అంటే దున్నపోతే అడుగు ఆంటీని.
మ్యూట్లో పెట్టకుండా
పట్టాలి.
అది ఇంకోటి
గుడ్ మార్నింగ్.
అర్థం అర్థం పడేవు. అయితే నా ఫోన్ తీసుకెళ్తాను.
నీ ఫోన్ ఆడో తీసుకెళ్తావు, ఫోన్ ఆడో తీసుకెళ్తావు. మేమే ఇంకేం పని అవ్వలేదు.
अरे कोई बोल के दे रहा है
उल्टा बता। मेरे को एरो मार्क आ रहा रेड वाला। हाँ बस यार नहीं आ रहा तो आया तो नहीं सुने आती अपने को। तुम वहाँ पे उसको देखो वो तो तुम्हारे साथ में एरो मार्क आया तो नहीं दिख रहा अपन। एरो मार्क निकाल दिए तो दिखते हैं अपन। हाँ तो नको करो। एरो मार्क कहाँ है सुने आते अपनी आवाज। नहीं समझ में तो मैं तुम बोलो नेशनल लेवल पे ना बोलती।
ठीक आजा। हेलो
अना क्लास सुना ना,
लेसन सुन ठीक है। जल्दी करो लेसन सुनना, मैं सुनता हूँ ठीक है। आजा हेलो लेसन सुन ठीक है।
इसको फोन अच्छा हो गया।
ओह माय गॉड
वो दूध ये आया। मीटिंग
तो एक बता दे तो होगा।
ऐसा लिंक मार ले के घर में देखने
यहाँ से बेटे बहुत अच्छा।
फिर भी अगर सुकून है हमारे घर पूरा हाँ हाँ
ప్లీజ్ మ్యూట్ యువర్ మైక్స్.
అన్ని బొక్కలో ఉన్నాయమ్మా ముక్కల్లో.
वो मीटिंग आईडी होते नहीं मानना खाली पासवर्ड आईडी मानना बार बार पासवर्ड आईडी मानना अपन कहीं को होता मीटिंग आईडी एक ही चाहिए पासवर्ड आईडी
अब अपनी आवाज में जाती वो ही बोल रही मैं डर होता है क्या
Guys, please unmute your mic.
मैम क्लास स्टार्ट किया
सबको म्यूट कर दे के शुरू कर दे रही होगा।
नहीं नहीं
नहीं शुरू कर दी। हाँ कि सबको डाल दे रही अपना अपना शुरू हो जाए।
इसको
नहीं दिख रहा अपना
हाँ वो वैसा नहीं वो देख लेना म्यूट कर
खाली है ना आवाज का देते हैं बार बार कई को मैं टेम्पर अगर आवाज भी करी तो तुम म्यूट कर ले सकते हो। देखते हैं अपन को अनम्यूट अपने को म्यूट बता रहा हाँ टीचर को अनम्यूट बता अपने को जब अनम्यूट बताता टीचर को म्यूट बताता तो मामा कहीं छोड़ा टीचर मैं कहने म्यूट बता रहा वैसे मामा मैं तो अनम्यूट बता।
Can you please start the class?
अपन म्यूट नहीं कर सकते
Please start the class.
अपन कर देंगे बात कर ले तो उसको सुनेंगे हम
अरे सब लोग म्यूट करो बिकॉज ऑफ यू गाइस मैडम इज नॉट कमिंग इन द क्लास म्यूट करो
Yeah,
आप
who
लोग
is
सब
that
लोग।
Syed Muskan? Stupid fellow. And goes on giving the messages. Who is Muskan? Muskan. He is not allowing me to the class.
अरे सब लोग म्यूट करो बिकॉज ऑफ यू गाइस।
అమ్మా ఈ పద్మజ చెప్తుందా అమ్మా ఇప్పుడు
Syed Muskan. Who is this?
ఈ పద్మజ
First mute karo sab jane. Everyone mute your mics. All of you. Who is this? All of you mute your mics. First mute karo sab jane. Everyone mute your mics. First mute your mics. Mute your mics, all of you.
సార్ ఈ మేడం కూడా రాలేదు సార్
సార్ నేను ఉన్నాను ఇక్కడే
ముందు ఇలాగనే
Mute your mics, all of you.
అక్కడ ఉంది పేరు ఉంది స్పీకర్ రెడీగా ఉంది సార్
సార్ నన్ను అలౌ చేయట్లేదు పిల్లలు
ఇప్పుడు స్టార్ట్ అయ్యింది
సార్ పిల్లలు నన్ను అలౌ చేయట్లేదు అక్కడి నుంచి హలో హలో
మాట్లాడుతున్నా సార్
హలో
అంబేద్కర్ ఓపెన్ యూనివర్సిటీ నుండి మాట్లాడుతున్నాం
సార్ సార్ నేను పద్మజన్ మాట్లాడుతున్నాను సార్ హలో గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ మ్యామ్
గుడ్ మార్నింగ్
మార్నింగ్ మ్యామ్
మార్నింగ్ మ్యామ్
మా ఫస్ట్ మ్యూట్ చేసుకోండి మైక్స్ మీరందరు మైక్స్ మ్యూట్ చేయండి గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్
గుడ్ మార్నింగ్
గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ మ్యామ్
గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ మ్యామ్ మా స్క్రీన్ మీద ఏం రాయొద్దు మీరు
ఓకే మేడం
మీకే లాస్ అమ్మా నేనేం చెయ్యను ఇప్పుడే చెప్పేస్తున్నా
మ్యామ్ ప్లీజ్ స్పీక్ ఇన్ ఇంగ్లీష్ మ్యామ్
మా you some students they are writing something on the board. Ask them not to use. Please mute your mics, all of you. See, yes, some students are there. Otherwise, I'll throw you out. Clear? Because of you all, today we have made our class very late. And I don't know who is the Syed Muskan. He is not allowing me. He became the host and he is not allowing me to class. And you are goes on telling me, madam, start the class, Ani. See here, this is a financial accounting for first semester. And we have the 5 blocks. In the first block, we have the introduction of accountancy. So in this, we have the 3 lessons. One is the financial accounting about that is the introduction, and accounting principles and standards, and what is the accounting process. Means you will be studying about the accounting, what are the principles and why you are using, what are the branches. This time we will be using in studying for unit 1. Second is the subsidiary books. All the subsidiary books means before you are making the accounts, what are the subsidiary books, what are the journals, and what is the cash book, what is the passbook. This all you will be studying in the unit 2. And third unit, that is a bank reconciliation statement. Bank reconciliation statement means that is a customer and the bank, passbook and cash book. This both, about this you are going to study in the block 3. And your fourth one is a depreciation and rectification of errors. Depreciation means the decrease of the value of an asset. Okay, and the provisions and the reserves. And the next is the preparation of trial balance and the rectification of errors you are going to study in the unit 4. And in the 5th unit, that is a financial accounting, where first you will be journals, then it is a ledger, how you will be posting. So after that, the capital reserves and the trading, profit and loss account, and the balance sheet, financial accounts with the adjustment. So this is the last unit. It's very, very important. Okay, it's not like that. The first unit, other units are not important. These all are the important units. Okay, so now first is your financial accounting. What is the financial accounting? Financial accounting. Who is that reading? Financial accountancy. It is nothing but it is a financial account. And it is a field where you are using accountancy, where it is concerned with all the financial statements. That is how you will be making the financial statement. That is a accountancy. That is a financial statements. So here, financial statements were the preparation of the financial statements. Understood? And here, why you'll be making the financial statements where you are taking the decision maker. So by seeing that financial statements, we will be taking the decision about the next, whether to buy the product, whether to sell the product, get the raw material. These are all the decision makers we have take. So such as stockholders, suppliers, bank, employees, government agencies, owners, and other stakeholders. So these all are the people, they will prepare the concerned accountancy and they'll be taking the decision. So these all are the decision maker. And financial accounting is used. Why you are using this one? What is the necessary for making the use of the financial accountancy? So your financial accountancy is used to prepare the accountancy for the people outside the organization. Outside the organization means what? That is the customers, stakeholders, suppliers, government. So that is outside the accounting data, outside organization, or for those who are not involved in the administration of the company. So these are the people, they are not involved in the administration of the company. And your management accounting, we have the cost accountancy, management accountancy, financial accountancy. So now we'll be talking financial management accounting. Your management accounting, it provides accounting information. It provides the accounting information to help the manager. So there is a, whatever the information you are collecting, so it makes a manager to take the decision to how to manage the business, how to enhance it, how to spread over. So like this, the manager will take the decisions, expand the business. So these are the things where the management accounting deals. And here, financial accounting, it is also one process where you are summarizing the financial accounting. In summarizing is what? Each and everything you will be seeing that is in the financial data and which is taken from the organization accounting records. And it is publishing it in the form of annual or the quarterly. So here, whatever the books are prepared, they will be seeing the day-to-day activities they're writing in the books, and that will be checked annually, means yearly once, or the every 6 months they will be giving the report and the benefits of the people outside the organization. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
And
Yes,
next
ma'am.
we'll see the what is the role of the financial accounting? What is the role? Why it is very important to us? So your financial accounting, where it is generates the sum of the key documents. Means what are the key documents in this? So first you will be which are includes the profit and loss account, and where it is trading the business and specific period, and you will be preparing the balance sheet. Is it clear? And it will be preparing the balance sheet. Means that provides a statements showing mode of the trade in a business for specific period. Is it clear? So it records the financial. So it is the first one is where it is generates the important documents, that is a profit and loss account, pattern of method, that is the trading of the business, balance sheet, and showing the trade in the business, that is a specific period. And it is also record, that is a financial accounting. It also records the transactions. Transactions means what? Suppose Ram has purchased the goods. Ram purchased goods means what the entry you will be writing? Ram purchased the goods. What's the entry you'll write? Purchases account data to cash account. Means you are getting the goods inside and the cash is going out. Means the financial transaction is cash and the goods. That is outflow of the money and you are getting the goods inside. Ma, please. Then the sales, wages, etc. And the third point is financial accounting empowers the managers, means to know the everything and manage the activities and more efficiently by preparing the standards, financial information, and even which includes. So your financial accounting, that is a monthly management report where it is tracing the cost and profit against the budgets, sales, and the investment investigations of the cost. So these all are the things also comes under. It is also role of the financial accounting to enhance the information to the managers and more effectively, and by preparing the standard of information that is about the profits, about the budget, about the sales, and the investigation of cost. First, when you are introducing any product in the market, first you will go and see, you will investigate in the market so and so product, if you are really that is introducing in the market, that will be that will be given a good response from the public. Is it clear? Investigation. So these are the thing. It is a role of the financial accounting. Then what is the need of financial accounting? That is a nature and amount of expenditure and good earnings, and whatever the causes we are getting the loss, that how can you make in a good way? That is how can you make the fulfill the losses, And the size of the capital means whatever the capital you have introduced in the business, whether it will decrease or the decreases. If what the implementation you have to put in the business to increase it. If you are reckless, the capital will decrease in your business. Okay. And the next is the nature and the value of asset. It's possessed. Possessed means what? The nature and the value of asset. Suppose you have purchased a machinery for your business purpose to produce a product. So when you produce a product, what you'll see after 1 year, the value of asset will be decreased. So that also you have to count. After 5 years, if you want to sell that machinery, you will not get the same amount when you purchase that. Is it clear? So here the value will decrease and the nature and the value of liabilities. Yes, any doubts?
No.
Clear?
No, ma'am.
No. Clear.
Yes. And the next is a evolution of accounting. How the evolution? So how it is evolved? What is the history of accounting? How it has come out? From where it has come out? So here the history of accounting, it has been around almost as long as money itself. So when is the money has evolved, when the money has come, so slowly the accounting also started. Before we have the barter system, you know the barter system?
Yes.
Yeah.
So you exchanging of the good with the good. So
Yeah.
it made the more loss to the person who had a large product. So slowly they have introduced the currency. So starting which type of a currency they started? Golden currency or the silver currency?
Silver currency.
That is a silver currency. So that is that they have used. And the accounting history where it has dates back of ancient. So from the ancient only we have accounting. So why it has come accountancy? Because when you have when the accountancy has not introduced, the people they started business. Suppose if you have started a business, just you are putting the money in the business and you are taking the money from that business only. Whatever the profits you are getting, you are using. By the end of the fine day, you will not be knowing what is the profit, how much you have invested the money, whether you got the loss or the profit. Is it clear? So slowly, because of this, the accountancy has started. The dates back to the ancient civilization. So ancient civilization, first one is Mesopotamia, Egypt, and Babylon. So these are the three countries. For example, Roman Empire. The government has a detailed records of its finance. So they have, these are that is a Roman Empire, it is a civilization, that is a ancient civilization. So in those days only, they have a separate books. They used to record the finances in the day-to-day activities. However, this is a modern accounting. Modern accounting, where the people slowly they have made it as a profession. Modern accounting, slowly it has become as a profession. Profession means now, who are the professions in the finance accounting? Yes. Who are the professionals? Yes, ma?
Chartered accountant.
Chartered accountants.
Very good. So it has made the modern, that is a accounting as a profession since early 19th century. Okay. And next one is a Lusa spatially, this is a person is the father of accounting and bookkeeping. Father of accounting and the bookkeeping. So when they have made the contribution to the development of the accounting as a profession. Okay. So this is a accounting where it is history. I'm telling you, 1880. It is 18th century. The modern profession of accounting was fully formed, where it is a fully formed and recognized by the institute, that is ICA. So in those days only they have started recognized by the Institute of Chartered Accountant in England. So this is the finance also. I think it can be started in the 18th century by the Britishers, because Britishers they used to do the business with our country. So during the Industrial Revolution, they had made the part of the Industrial Revolution. They created many of the accounting practices today. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Now,
No, ma'am.
very good. Ma, tomorrow onwards, please allow me.
Ma'am, here I am.
Yes, ma'am. Thanks for the class, ma'am.
Right? Time is up. Huh?
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Actually, no, ma'am.
12:30.
It's half an hour.
It is 12:30 till 12:30.
Yes, ma'am.
12:30 है.
No, now it is a scope of accounting. Scope of accounting means what? Here, accounting, it is a very wide scope. Very wide. Wide means very big. Each and everywhere. Even the uneducated also they'll make the accounting, you know?
Yes.
So how? Can you tell me?
I don't know, ma'am.
Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
In the house also, where your mother will have a lot of money in a kitchen. Wide scope.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes,
So it is a wide scope of area of a application. So its use is not confined. Means if you are not using the confined the business, it is world alone. And it is spread over the society and all professions. So this is accounting is spread everywhere. That is social institutions, professional activities. Nowadays, it is everywhere. Accounting has come up. Even it is a medical practitioner also, you have the accounting, you know.
Yes, ma'am.
So here, next is the need for recording. Need for recording and summarizing. Recording and summarizing means what? Whatever the things you have the expenditure, recording, and after that you have the summarizing these transactions when they occur a necessity to find the net result. You will be seeing, no, in your house, have you seen your parents when they'll be writing in a book how much has the expenditure this day, every day they will write amount. By the end of the day, they will make the addition and see that what is how much the income and what is the expenditure.
Yeah.
So that is interpreting for the communication of those information to the appropriate persons. And please, the students who are outside, mute your mic. Amer. Venu.
Shalini also met.
కొంతమంది మ్యూట్ చేయలేదు, ఇంకా అట్లనే ఆన్ చేసుకొని ఉన్నారు. మా ఎందుకమ్మా డిస్టర్బెన్స్ చేస్తున్నా నాకు అర్థం అవట్లేదు. బా ఎవరమ్మా మాట్లాడేది? Please mic up. Note lo pettandi. And here, professional persons our medical practitioner, the doctors, lawyers, chartered accountants, etc. So they are all adopt some information, that is they are adopting the information, that is whatever the accounting information, that is methods they are taking into this, and they are making the accounting methods are to be used by all who are involved in the series of financial transactions. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
Ma'am.
1 minute, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
1 minute, Anna.
Yes,
Helpamani cheppale.
Okay, ma'am.
How much eagerly you want to go out? Have you finished the first class?
Yeah, ma'am.
ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Only 20 minutes we have completed, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
20?
20 minutes only we have completed class.
Why?
It's
Because ma'am will came
Because you
late.
need to join.
Because you are not allowing the madams to join. And you are telling the madam has joined very late. And the next is the scope of accounting. That is, in earlier days, it used to undergo lots of changes. Lots of changes in recent time. Recently, the accounting has changed in a many ways. As accounting is a dynamic subject. Yes, it is a dynamic subject. It has a good scope, and it is an area of operations. It has been increasing, always increasing, keep of pace with the changes in the socio-economic changes. Okay. Now we'll see what are the features. Features of accounting and natures of accounting is the same. The features of accounting is, first one is accounting is the process. Yes, process means what? First you will be collecting the data, then you will be collection of data, recording, classifying, summarizing, and financial and the reporting. So these are the things you will be making a process one by one. First, you will not finalize, you will not do the finalization, then classification. First is you will be collecting the information, you will be making in a classification. Now, how this is a classification, you can ask me. Means, suppose if you are writing the journal entries, now I tell the capital account data, cash account data to capital account, purchase account data to cash account, cash account data to sales account. So these all are journal entries. So you will be making the classification, which is the amount in the cash book, which amount is in the purchase book, which is in the capital book, which is in the sales book. That is, you will be classification. You will give the classification in which account books you have to write the entries. And next is accounting is an art. Yes, everyone is not possible. Everyone cannot become the CA.
yes, correct.
It is an art, and they can make the refers to a various performing something. So accounting is a systematic method. It is a one by one method they will be having, and where it is a definite techniques and it's a proper applications. Where it is requires applied skills. So you must have applied skills must you have, and you must have the accounting nature you must have, so that if you're having also some people, they'll not have the art to make the performing the something. So it is accounting is also one type of an art, and accounting means and not an end. It will be accounting there will not be any end. Is it clear? So here, whatever to find out the financial result and the position, an entity, and the same time. So here, position, mute karo. You mute your mic. So your accounting is means and not an end. It's not an end. It will be in a continuation. It will be communicate the information to the users who have a continue. They are making their own decision. Users are their own decision and they'll be getting the information. And it is also a primary objective of an person or entity. And here it is a specific objective where you are using the accounting. And here accounting deals with financial information and transactions. Safi, mute your mic.
Ravi also, madam.
What happened?
Ma'am, disturbance.
So here accounting deals with the financial information and transaction, both information also there will be a transaction. Means here accounting records the financial transaction day after classifying the same and finalizes their result for a definite period for conveying them to their users.
Madam, what happened, madam?
Oh boy.
Madam is gone.
Madam ran away.
Madam is not ran away. Madam is here only. You are busy with your talking.
Madam is coming.
So here, I'm not stuck. Just I'm listening your words, your conversations. So your financial information and transactions, both. It is a definite period that you are conveying them. So your accounting, it will not deal with only 1 month. So it is a transaction for whole period. That is, if you're starting your accounting in the January till the end of the December, it will be continuing. So here, every year you will be having the accounting information. And accounting is an information system. Yes, you will be getting the information where you will be having the accounting recognized and characterized as a storehouse of an information, and you'll be collecting the process and communicates the financial information of any entity. So like this, it will be containing the information wherever it is required, the information that is interested groups. And here, what are functions of accounting? Functions of accounting, it is a systematic tracking, storing, recording, analyzing, summarizing, and reporting. So the first one is keeping financial record. Keeping financial records means the businessman where he will be maintain an accurate and up-to-date records of day-to-day financial transactions. So here a businessman every day he will be writing day-to-day financial records, and even he will be update. That is the supply purchases, what is the sales, what is the receipts, what is the payment. So here updating. So today is a day-to-day information you will be writing, day-to-day financial transaction. Tomorrow again he is writing, he will be update. Okay, and next one is a monitoring financial transactions. Monitoring financial transaction means your accountant may track multiple financial transactions. Multiple transactions means what?
Net banking.
He will be receiving the revenue and remain the profits. Receives the revenue means what? Revenue means what you are getting the income. Payment, where you are making the payment.
Income.
Income and expenditure. Income is what you are getting and expenditure means what you are spending. Okay. And making the bill payments. Making the bill payments. Accounting always it involves checking the invoices to ensure the legitimacy, the charges, setting the payments, dates, and paying the bills. So here, whatever the suppliers, where the vendors, everywhere they are making the payments. And you are paying the employee salaries. It also is company fund, payroll payment from the company funds. It is accountant, and what are the benefits? Everything will be they are making. It's also one of the function. And keeping digital records. You know digital records nowadays. They involve the creating, the maintaining, the update, digital, accounts. And in advertisement, they are showing, no? Khata, the new accounts, they have started,
Khata
no?
book.
Digital
Khata book.
accounting system. Where they can store the every information of the financial data. And here, writing the financial reports. What does account? Again started, who is that? Malli start చేస్తారమ్మా ఎవరో.
Ma'am, you are the host. You have an option of muting everybody. Why don't you mute everybody?
Ma, I'm doing that. Then also again they are making.
They can't, ma'am. Only host has an option of muting everybody. Due to some people.
Yes, I muted everyone. Only if you raise your hand, I can allow you to talk. Is it right? Yes. If you have, you can raise your hand. Fine. And next is writing the financial report. Financial report means what? It is involves repairing details, quarterly, annual reports also. There will be company assets and profit and loss. That is internal and external. Internal means the company, external means stakeholders, outsiders like consumers, government, shareholders. They are called comes. And here internal means owners, managers. So they will be writing their own financial reports. And you are maintaining the physical history. Physical history means the company's transaction and making it available for audits. Okay, making it the accounting, ordering. Achieving a maintenance physical means here it is a audits where the transaction, company transaction and making it available for audits and assessment. Whatever the audits, what is the assessment also, they can make it out. Then it is achieving the business goals. Achieving the business goals means what? Where you will be analyze the financial data, where you will be formulating comprehensive the financial policies and all the tragedies and advances the business goal means where you want to increase your, expand your business. Whatever the goals you have, that also can be make it out. Okay. Next is a bookkeeping and accounting. These two are two different people where they make the bookkeeping. Bookkeeping means the person who makes the day-to-day activities. Means where he will be writing. So in bookkeeping, these two are the interchangeable. Means once the work of the bookkeeping ends, bookkeeping ka work hote hi, accountant has to start his work. Okay, they will be interchangeably. That is a financial world. That is notable difference between bookkeeping and accounting. And here, bookkeeping is a part of accounting. Without the bookkeeping work, the accountant cannot do anything. Is it clear? Then, a definition of bookkeeping. It means the activity of keeping and maintaining the books. Keeping and maintaining the books, the financial books. That is, recording financial activities and events. So these books where it is referred, the books of accounts. So it is involved extensive data inputs. So what is the activity the bookkeeper will do? The input of voice and author. So he'll be writing what is the stock has come and what is the author. Everything he'll be writing and receiving and recording the payment by customers. Receiving and recording by the customers. Is it clear? Receiving and ordering the payment by customers and making and recording the payment to vendor. If you are paying, that also he has to write. If you are getting the money, that also you have to write. Means in one day, whatever the transactions is done, so each and every transaction must be written by him. Okay. And efficiently processing the payroll information. Payroll information. Is it clear? And next is a definition of accounting. That is, accounting, on the other hand, is the process that where it includes. Once the work of the bookkeeper completed, means accountant work has to be started. That is a recording. First, you have whatever it is a recording, classifying, summarizing, and interpreting the financial information of an economic unit. Understood? And then next is what is the work? So in this, we have a various types of parties for several. So here, few of the activities are done by the accountant. So that is a preparation of trial balance. First, you have to write what is the debit, what is the credit in one place. When it is matches, then that work he has to do. Then ledger accounts and so on other works. And the preparation of financial statements he has to, and financial data. So analyzing the financial data, that is a trading account, profit and loss account, and final account. After completing the accountant work, the auditor work will start. Okay. So now tell me whose work is important? Whose work is important? Tell me. Yes. Who want to tell the answer? Or they can make in the chat box. That is a first important work is bookkeeper. So if he is not writing any information, if he's not mentioning any payment or any receiving the goods or whatever the authors, invoices, then how can the accountant will do? He cannot. So the work of the bookkeeper is very important. Afterwards, the last is the accountant, where his work is also very important to know the whether he got the profit or loss. So now, it's a very important question. If anyone want to take the screenshot, they can take the screenshot. These two slides. I think this question you may get for long answers. If it finished, you tell me. Okay, okay. Next. It's a long answer, ma. Bookkeeping and accounting. Here in the first one is a definition of bookkeeping. Bookkeeping is mainly related to process of identifying, measuring, recording, and classifying the financial transaction. This is a bookkeeper where he is doing the work. Accountant is communicating the financial transactions, summarizing, interpreting the ledger accounts as a part of bookkeeper. After doing the bookkeeper, he has to start his work. Next one is bookkeeping is a beginning stage, and accounting is where it is a end stage. Okay, that is a bookkeeper where it's beginning and it acts as a base of accounting where the bookkeeper ends. And next is a management decision. Management cannot make decision based on the bookkeeping. Management can make the decision based on the accounting. Means here only the thing is bookkeeper will write the day-to-day activities, but the manager, by seeing that, he will be posting in a particular ledgers. Is it clear? And the next is what is the objective of bookkeeping? So it is a bookkeeping is a way keep the proper and systematic record of financial transactions. Okay. And the objective of accounting is to ascertain the financial position and further communicate the information to relevant parties. Got my point? It is understood? Ardhamaindamma? Yes. And the financial statement, where the financial statements are not prepared, only the day-to-day activities only prepared by the bookkeeper. And financial statements are prepared by the accountant. That is on the basis of recording of the bookkeeper. And skill. Bookkeeping does not require any special skill, only mechanical in nature. But accountant must have the other side require the special skill due to the analytical and the complex nature. Is it clear? Any doubts? Any doubts? Now, branches of accounting. This one is also very important. If anyone wants to take the screenshot, they can take the screenshot. And next is the branches of accounting. Is a financial accounting, managerial accounting, and the cost accounting. Here, financial accounting, where it is refers the process of generate, interim and the annual financial statements. So in this, what it is there, that is a period are summarized into balance sheet. That is a balance sheet, income statement, and cash flow statement. So these are all the things where the financial accounting system, where it summarizes and accounting period. Accounting period will be for 1 year. Okay. The next is a managerial accounting. Managerial accounting means what? It is the same as a financial accounting. It is organizes and even it is also utilizes the information in different way. It's up and these are the managerial accounting. It is an account where it is generate the monthly, quarterly reports. And it is also encompasses the facts, whatever the facts, and it is also including the budgeting, forecasting, and various financial analysis tools. And cost accounting. Cost accounting means it is just like a managerial accounting, where it will take the decision about the management. And it is also where it is a basis for making the decision and costing. So here it is managers, business owners, accountant, analyst, where they are using the information, wherever it is detailed about the product should cost. See, here the next is a parties interested accounting information. This one also you can take the screenshot. Owners, management, creditors, employees, government, consumer. Screenshot. This one, this one. It's a one answer. Over. Here, owner of the, where owners. Owners means the person who provides the funds and the capital for organization. And they must, they need the accounting information to know the profitability and financial positions of the, whatever the money was invested by him. So the person is eagerly want to know the information about the organization. And the management. Here, management is the art of getting things done by others. Means, suppose I'm the owner. I'm introduced one company. So I will not work in that. I will be appointing the other people on behalf of me. I'll be making the other people to do the work. That is, I'm having the art. That is, things can be done through others. And here, that management is also should subordinate the doing the work properly. And accounting information, it is also making the, because the manager is appraising the performance of the subordinates. Okay. Creditors. Creditors means who, as the person who supplies the goods on credit, means, or that is our banker or money lender. So if anyone is giving the goods on a credit, that is a creditor. Means, why you are making the creditor? The creditor will pay the amount slowly after. First, he'll use the goods, then that will be repaid. That is the financial position, that is a concern for giving the loans and granting. So that is a liquid position of the concern is satisfactory. Next is a employee. An employee where he is interested in the financial position of the concern. They serve particularly when the payment of bonus depends upon the size of profits. Means, if you are getting the more profits, means you will allow the bonus to the employees. Okay. Government. Government means what? Where the government is interested in accounting information, because they must know how much they are earning in sales, earnings, and how much the sales they made, and what is the purpose of taxation. Consumer. Consumer, who is the consumer? We are the consumers when we go and buy the product, where you are establishing the good accounting control, so that the cost of production may be reduced with the resultant reduction of prices. That is, goods they buy it. And the consumer, information to fix the reasonable prices so that the consumer, they may come and they buy. If you are increasing, they are also exploited. Yes. Any doubt? Yes, you can go and join the other class. You can leave.